Hello and welcome to another segment of Interviews That Matter. I'm your host Raj Mehta. Friends, in this segment, we bring those guests who influence our lives. This includes elected officials, policymakers, heads of major organizations, and other dignitaries. It is my sincere hope that the knowledge brought in by this guest will help our community. Today, we have a different type of guest who is acted in more than 45 movies in Bollywood movies. He was a dancer, actor, director and producer. His name is Javed Jaffrey. Let's meet Javed Saab. Jaffrey Saab, welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for taking time, and I'm glad. First of all, welcome to US after a long time.
Yeah, it's been 9 years.
9 years, right? And what have you changed? I mean, did you see any changes in US or is it the same thing?
Well, security a bit.
Security has gone up.
Yeah, and not much of a change actually. Not
Right.
much. I traveled this time, New York,
Mm-hmm.
Pennsylvania. I went to San Francisco.
Oh, okay.
So not too many places this time.
Okay.
But not much of a difference. They've already it's an established country. It's not that it's growing like Dubai, where every 2 years you see new buildings popping up.
Right.
So
Yeah.
this is an established country, so it's not much of change you'll find.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. You'll see the same buildings, and
Yeah, the
buildings are
streets,
buildings basically.
Yeah, maybe a few more
Right.
shops come here and
There you go.
otherwise, yeah.
There you go. Yeah. Few more shops like Zara, things like that. Whatever.
हाँ कुछ नए ब्रांड आ जाएंगे और क्या टाइम स्क्वायर पे कुछ पोस्टर नए लग जाएंगे
There you go.
बाकी तो वही होता है परफॉर्मेंस कुछ नए मिल जाएंगे
Right.
सडनली काउबॉय खड़ा हुआ है खाली बूट्स और अंडरवेयर पहन के और एक काउबॉय हैट पहन के गिटार बजा रहा है एक लड़की बॉडी पेंट करके खड़ी हुई है सो दैट इज न्यू
There is something new, right?
हाँ वो पहले नहीं था
पहले नहीं था.
बॉडी पेंटेड गर्ल्स ऑन टाइम स्क्वायर इज लाइक अनयूजुअल तो बच्चे घूमते रहते हैं तो
Yep.
दैट वाज स्लाइटली अनयूजुअल ओके
Now I think people have become bolder. ज़्यादा free हो गए बहुत.
as they get older you get bored
There you go. So आपका career you started in 1985, right? With a movie. I mean, you were a dancer, comedian, director, producer. I mean, you did a lot of things.
शुरुआत जो की थी
हाँ जी.
I came as a villain in my first movie.
हाँ.
पिक्चर का नाम था मेरी जंग
मेरी जंग, right?
और उसमें I came as a villain. Dancing was like an asset. तो I introduced a new form of dance to Bollywood.
Uh-huh.
उससे पहले एक अलग किस्म का नॉर्मल मिथुन दा थे. So there was a very simple gyration, sexual kind of the hip pelvic movement. And I kind of brought the more slightly structured like a fusion किस्म का डांस जिसको कहते हैं थोड़ा सा ब्रेक डांस ले लिया थोड़ा जैज ले लिया थोड़ा हिप हॉप डाल के इंडियन भी डाल दिया तो एक नया कुछ डांस हो गया जो आप कहेंगे इन अ वे इट वाज दैट वाज अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन जो आज आप डांसिंग देखते हैं
हाँ जी.
सो द बिगिनिंग आई थिंक वाज अ फॉर्मेटेड डांस तो शुरू में लॉट ऑफ पीपल से ये नहीं चलेगा यार ये मैंने बोला क्यों नहीं चलेगा नहीं बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ये सब पब्लिक लाइक टू डू इजी थिंग्स तो मैंने बोला यार लेट्स सी I think it works because kicking, spinning in the air, falling, doing getting a bit of gymnastics and then यार ये बहुत difficult है नहीं करेंगे लोग. But it worked and today everybody
is doing that. Yeah. So you were the pioneer for that.
In this kind of dancing, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So I mean your father also was a big comedian actor, right?
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask you कि भाई आपका mentor कौन था आपको किसने I'm sure कि आपके father से ही आपको मिली होगी बहुत.
I was you can say I'm mentally retarded. Sorry, it's a bad joke. Mentally retarded. So I was no mentors. There was no mentor. Nothing. मेरे father थे whatever experience he could give me. वो हमें बात करते थे वो कभी उन्होंने हमको ये कहा नहीं कि आप फिल्म में जाओ या अपना इन्फ्लुएंस इस्तेमाल करके कहा इनसे मिलो
हाँ.
तो मेरी एजुकेशन ख़त्म हो रही थी फाइनली आई डिड माई BA इन साइकोलॉजी तो
अच्छा
डांसिंग करता था मैं अपने आप मेरा शौक था अपने आप डेवलप किया कुछ ज़्यादा सीखा नहीं एक ऊपर वाले की तरफ से एक गिफ्ट था आई वॉज डिसेंट इनफ इन दैट और आई वन दी ऑल इंडिया फ्री स्टाइल डांस चैम्पियनशिप सुभाष घाई साहब के ऑफिस से एक फ़ोन आया कि भाई वो घाई साहब कुछ आपका टेप है देख सकते हैं वो मेरे आई जस्ट सेंट मैं खुद गया भी नहीं आई जस्ट सेंट अ टेप हाँ ये देख लीजिए सो आई वन दी चैम्पियनशिप फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने बुलाया मिलना चाहेंगे इवेंट फिर उन्होंने सुनाई कि भाई ये है तुम करोगे मैंने बोला मुझे एक दिन दीजिए मैं ज़रा सोच लेता हूँ तो इट वॉज लाइक सुभाष घाई उस वक्त सुभाष घाई साहब वॉज लाइक दी टॉप काइंड ऑफ नेम सो इट वॉज अ मोमेंट ऑफ I'm giving you a break as one of the main roles in my film,
हाँ
and you're saying you'll
एक
think
दिन सो
about it.
चुका
So then he realized कि probably मैं अपने फादर से पूछूंगा, because वो सीनियर आदमी थे, तो हमारे फादर की इज्जत है, तो उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, टॉक टू डैड. एंड मेरे फादर से बात की, मैंने कहा ये है, उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, अच्छे लोग हैं, अच्छी डायरेक्टर अच्छे हैं, आर्टिस्ट साथ में अच्छे हैं, नूतन जी थी, अमरीश पुरी साहब, अनिल कपूर ऑफ कोर्स, वो वाज कमिंग अप, एनएनसीपी बहुत सीनियर प्रोड्यूसर थे, तो हमारे फादर ने कहा कि नहीं, इट्स अ गुड टीम. जावेद अख्तर साहब राइटर थे.
अच्छा
उन्होंने कहा वेरी गुड, ऐसे लोगों के बीच में काम करोगे, अच्छा सीखोगे, चलो. तो प्लान कुछ नहीं था कि आना है, करना है. ऑफर आया, उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, तो अगर तुमको लगता है तुम कंफर्टेबल हो, गो अहेड.
तो वहाँ विलन का रोल किया आपने,
उसमें विलन था.
उसमें विलन किया. अच्छा
और बट इट वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट, उस वक्त के हिसाब से विलन डांस नहीं करते थे उस जमाने में.
हाँ राइट बराबर
सो क्या होता है, बिकॉज डांस इज अ पॉजिटिव थिंग,
राइट
एंड अ पॉजिटिव थिंग विद अ नेगेटिव मैन समहाउ डजंट गो.
राइट
But you know the way they had written it was, he's this very, when he dances like a snake, you know, he mesmerizes you and then he bites you. So वो एक concept था, Javed Saab had told me. So the dancing was clear, like he's a very good dancer, but he's a bad guy.
अच्छा
So वो उस जमाने में बड़ा unusual था. And in a way it became kind of negative for me, because एक पिक्चर आपने कर लिया as a villain, but वो slotting जो लोगों के दिमाग में होती है ना, कहते हैं villain है.
हाँ
लेकिन
राइट
आपका जो मेन एसेट where you, देखिए चीज़ बताए, आपका how are you better than others?
राइट
As an actor, और भी एक्टर हैं, आप यहाँ पे हैं.
हाँ.
As a dancer you're here.
राइट
Now
Right.
as a villain you can't exploit dance. उस जमाने में तो नहीं कर सकते थे.
राइट राइट
आप कहाँ dance करोगे यार?
राइट या
So वो प्रॉब्लम हो गया था मेरे साथ शुरू में, because विलन है तो फिर डांस कैसे यूज करेंगे, you know? So that, yeah.
सो अमरीश पुरी भी थे उस मूवी में.
अमरीश जी,
बराबर.
मेरे father का
अमरीश
रोल
जी,
किया
हाँ तो अच्छा वो विलन नहीं थे उसमें.
नहीं वो विलन थे,
वो विलन ही थे.
मेन विलन वो थे.
मेन विलन
मैं
वो
उनका
थे.
बेटा था.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
वह जो मुझे यूज करते हैं, वो विद द यंग, उसकी बहन के साथ, अनिल कपूर के साथ बनाया.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. सो वहाँ से आज तक की जर्नी में कितने मूवीज बनाए आपने, अरे कितने मूवीज में एक्टिंग किया आपने?
40-50 movies, 50 movies.
40-50 मूवीज.
Yeah.
तो आपका सबसे बढ़िया एकदम जो आपको याद रहता है एकदम, जैसे टॉप ऑफ योर हेड.
देखिए मेरी जंग ऑब्वियसली स्पेशल रहेगी कि फर्स्ट फिल्म.
फर्स्ट फिल्म थी राइट. वो
उसके
तो
बाद
थी.
फिल्में कहीं की, जवानी जिंदाबाद, 100 Days वाज रिसीव्ड वेल. उसके बाद विच यू रिमेंबर, 100 Days, जवानी जिंदाबाद आमिर के साथ थी, 100 Days जैकी माधुरी, माई सेल्फ, ओ डार्लिंग ये इंडिया शाहरुख था, एंड देन आई डिड बूम, crazy film, but I loved it. It didn't do well. It was a very mad film. I liked it. It came before its time. It was very shocking for that time. उसमें कतरीना कैफ उनकी first film थी. She was just 18. And Jackie Shroff, Amitabh Bachchan, Gulshan Grover, Padma Lakshmi, who she's famous in America also. And so it was a very interesting film, but it was too shocking for its time. मेरा role था Boom Shankar, very great. उसमें मैंने I worked a lot. Like I changed the character. Like there's nothing of you. See, for an actor, what for me it's important is you become for me the excitement to be an actor is you become somebody else.
Right.
And that's important because if you are you in every film,
Yeah.
then what's the point?
Then there is no
You know,
point.
so you
yes.
become the
You have
character.
to
So in Boom Shankar,
Right.
he had this, like, you know, I buffed up and I cut my hair really short, and he's got this, you know, glasses, and he's got this side locks and mustache, and he's like, and he's got this crazy look, and he carries his big guns and just shoots anybody. He's this crazy guy, you know, and he's got this strange accent, you know. I am not, everybody is coming to me, you know. So it's just the way you look, the way you talk. He said, so it just became another character, and that's what I enjoy, and it was appreciated. The movie had a problem. So he just come, he'll take out a gun and poke it on a woman's chest and just put his gun there and just say, 32B, right? He's as stupid as that, and stupid and dangerous.
Wow.
So I love that character. फिर उसके बाद जजंत्रम अमंत्रम एक फिल्म आई थी which was appreciated a lot. It was like a Gulliver's Travel, where I played this big guy in a land of small people. It was one of the first films which did the effects well. It did pretty well also. So that was one. Then came Salam Namaste. Well, it was, although it's a cameo, I've never done cameo before that. I was also always one of the leads or a principal role, what you say. So like Lashkar, there was a film. Dev Saab was there, and we were four boys, Aditya Pancholi, myself, whatever. Jawani Zindabad, I was like, you can say a second lead with Amir. 100 Days, I was a second lead with Jackie and Madhuri and myself. Oh Darling, I was a villain with Shah Rukh Khan and myself. This one was different because it was just 3 scenes, I think, in the film. And the director was, he's a very wonderful, very talented guy, Siddharth. He said, see, I'm a very big fan, and I don't mean to be insulting, but it's a very, very interesting cameo if you will do it. I said, yeah, I don't do cameos, you know. So he said, नहीं I please. And आदित्य चोपड़ा उन्होंने प्रोड्यूस की थी. Then उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह प्यार से समझा के. See, point is for me it's important कि when you're given the right respect and appreciation for your work,
Right.
then you feel like यार अच्छे लोग हैं, let's work together. They're
Right.
not trivializing you.
Right.
So when they said this is what we have in mind, then with the director I worked that Salam Namaste character, that whole how he walks and how he talks and उसका जो पूरा style है, the bad English, तो काफी कुछ incorporate करके. Then that I remember. Then there was a film Singh is King and
Singh is
Dhamal was very good. Again, you become a totally different character.
Right. Yeah. Dhamal was
Yeah.
very good actually.
Because
very comedy.
a lot of people, and I had
Right.
got this, I won't name the director,
Right.
very big director, and he was making a movie and there was a role in that. And he said, no, but I need somebody to look innocent. Javed doesn't look innocent. He looks, he's got a hard face. He looks
Tough.
Yeah, he looks tough. He looks hard.
Right.
And I said, well, if you're an actor, you'll know how to convert yourself. You
Yeah.
should be a chameleon.
Right.
And I did that in Dhamal. I was very soft, lovable, and the
Right.
kids loved this character.
Right.
Wow, you're so smart.
Yeah.
And he just played this little dumb character. So it's how you become somebody else. So these are the characters I remember. Fire. It was a Canadian English film.
yeah.
Deepa Mehta from Canada.
Right. Deepa, I have seen that. Right.
So उसमें बहुत अच्छा रोल था मेरा.
Right.
I
Right.
really appreciate Deepa for thinking of me. When my image was of this whole dancer thing, she says, no, I'll take you in this very complicated role. And it was really, for me as a performer also, it was very appreciated by the American critics also. So I remember. And I had done a first film, Deepa's, called Sam and Me, which was her first production way
Achha.
back in '89. And then she remembered me and she called me back in '96 for Fire. And yeah, so that's my story.
So how do you, like, for example, you know, I mean, how do you become somebody else? I mean, what do you have to prepare for it? Because people have seen you always on the screen, right? And they see you what they see you. But as you said that, you know, you really enjoy being somebody else.
Yeah.
So how do you prepare yourself?
I don't know. It's not like
I mean, is it
I didn't do
something natural or?
Yeah, for me it's more natural because see there are methods actors use. In the West there is called the Stanislavski method. He's very famous. He was a teacher and he wrote books on acting and they teach them like Robert De Niro and all. There's a whole school. There's this whole what we call method acting, which is Stanislavski, Dustin Hoffman. So, but I don't know. I didn't go to any acting class. I just observe. My sense of observation is reasonable, and I just pick up characters and I said, okay, let me put a bit of this and a bit of this and a bit of this. It's like you make a recipe. So how will he walk? How will he talk? How will he stand? Then you look at. You see the external elements. वो should not become कि आपने वो दाढ़ी मुच्छी लगा दी तो आप character बन गए. No.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना कि क्योंकि you know, see, first, I mean, you also watch other people in similar role, right? Do you have to watch
No,
that,
no,
or
I don't watch other people in similar roles.
No.
In fact, I should watch. I should not do this.
Right? No, I agree, but then
For me, it's the
sometimes-
other way. कि भाई इन्होंने अगर ये किया है, they've done a Sindhi like this or a
Right,
or a
right,
cop
right,
like this. How
right.
can I be different?
Right.
For
right,
me, it's
right,
like
right.
not doing that.
Not doing that.
Yeah,
Right.
you know,
Yeah.
because you got to
Yeah.
make something else. The people should remember कि like I did a film called 8x10 Tasveer,
Okay.
Akshay Kumar, and I played an OCD cop. And Nagesh Kukunur is the director. He was very good. I liked because see, for me as an actor, the director is extremely important because there are two kinds of directors. One
Right.
is the kind of director who are technical, how to light, how to take the shot, how to edit.
Right.
And then there are the directors who will go into the actor and say, let's not smile here. Let's take it in a different. So they work with the actors. They're very good with actors. I
Okay.
enjoy that because for me, like an actor is like clay. You know, the actor says, okay, let's pull this, let's make this round, let's make what shape you want to be. So an actor should be like clay. You just become what the director and the scriptwriter have thought. So you put yourself as, okay, let me become this. Exactly.
So director is the one really who kind of,
I mean, he is the captain. He's supposed to. He oversees everything. He sees all the actors, the music, the editor. So he'll say, okay, now this scene, the actor is going to speak, but I'm going to. I mean, a really clever director will say, okay, now I'm going to have music playing here, and the music will be louder than what he's talking.
Okay.
And this is the kind of music I will be playing. So he will think and he'll say, okay, now you keep your voice down. Keep it low. Don't suppose that I can do a scene like, you know, like, you know.
Yeah, but
I'll kill you. I can do that. Or you can say, I'll kill you, man. You're dead. It's how you want the scene to be. The director tells you go there,
right,
or you come here.
Right.
So you play that, and it's how you translate that scene. So what a lot of people say, I think it's a wrong term. They say underplay. You know, there is no underplay. You play. If your character demands that you go, I'll kill you. What the hell do you think of yourself? That big dad. That's a character. That's the kind of person he is. One guy just sits, like I said, he'll just pick this little thing and just he'll just shoot you straight like this, very cool. So it is the character. You play. You don't underplay or overplay. You play the character. But a lot of people and a lot of these critics also go around saying, yeah, what underplayed beautifully. No, it's played. That's how the character is. He doesn't speak much. Yeah, it's like Robert De Niro in some film, just very quiet, and he takes his bat and whams the guy's head.
Yeah.
That's the character. He's very cool, and he kills somebody very coolly. Somebody will go. So it's how you play, and that's the excitement of being an actor. Yeah.
So director is the one who really kind of portrays you, what character you are supposed to be.
You work with the director,
and you work with the director.
That's your job. What is your homework?
Right.
He'll say, look, this is what I'm looking at.
Right.
So you give him options. ऐसा कर लूँ, ऐसा कर लूँ, इधर बोलूँ या इधर बोलूँ, ऐसे. How do you like it? So then he'll say, okay, this is nice. Let's do it like this.
Yeah.
And if you're a bad actor, then he'll try to tell you ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो. And if you're a bad director, then the actor says, what the hell, man? Okay, now let's do it like this.
So कई मूवी ऐसी होती है ना कि भाई 2 वीक चलेगी, हमारा पैसा बन जाएगा, हम खत्म करो.
Yeah, a lot of
there are like lot of movies.
Some movies are probably done. Depends on what kind of an actor you are. Some people do it. Chalo yaar, I'm getting good money. Let's do it.
Right.
It may not be an exciting script. It may not be an exciting director. But
Right.
chalo theek hai yaar, kar lete hain. You got to be in the loop. You have to be in the visibility.
Right.
So you'll just do it because you've got to stay alive. Otherwise, out of sight, out of mind. And so some actors think on the business level. Some actors are particular. नहीं यार अच्छा नहीं करना.
अच्छा.
Like for a long time, Nasir bhai didn't do. You think नहीं यार शुरू में कर लिया त्रिदेव बोला चलो ठीक है थोड़ा make some money. Then he said नहीं I don't want to act in all this.
I think after you reach certain level, then you become choosy. बराबर ना? ऐसे होता है.
Normally, if you get caught up with your wants and your देखिए एक बड़ी अच्छी कहावत है कि ख्वाहिश एक चीज़ होती है और ज़रूरत एक चीज़ होती है.
हाँ.
ओके तो उसने कहा कि अपनी ख्वाहिशों को अपनी ज़रूरतों से ज़्यादा मत करो.
हाँ जी.
क्योंकि ज़रूरतें तो भिखारियों की भी पूरी हो जाती हैं और ख्वाहिशें तो बादशाहों की भी पूरी नहीं होती.
Right.
So if your needs are few and you feel यार I'm okay with this one car of mine, I'm simple car I drive, I've got a small house, I'm fine, I'm happy. Then you will not compromise.
Right.
I don't need to do this.
Right.
Forget it, मैं कहाँ. But if you say I have to buy my Mercedes Benz, I have to buy my villa, then I have to keep doing some work or the other. So then you start doing stuff which is compromising, and some people get, So some actors you have to. कुछ लोग the other so-called supporting actors.
Right. Yeah.
Your families, it's expensive, education for children, living standards, Bombay. So they have to do work which may not exactly be the best exacting work, but they don't have much of a choice.
Right.
So it's not that they are bad actors, they are wonderful actors, but sometimes you have to compromise because life.
See, ऐसा ही है ना simple कि हमारा any business is same thing क्योंकि when I started my business 1986 में तो I used to do like 2 months worth of work for just $500 क्योंकि उस टाइम तो उनको काम जरूरी था बस. I don't care about money कि भाई पैसा मेरे को मत दो, तुम मेरे को काम दो. तो अभी वो चीज़ अलग है, बल अभी चीज़ अलग है कि हमारा थ्रेशोल्ड अभी इससे नीचे होएगा तो हम काम करेगा ही नहीं, लेगा ही नहीं. तो ऐसे ही होता है ना सभी
इंटरव्यू भी ऐसे
business
करते हो
में। हाँ
इसे ये इससे नहीं करने का भी अच्छी
हाँ
ऐसे
हाँ ऐसे ही होता है ना
हाँ अब ये कौन है ये अच्छा जी, बड़ा लेके आओ तो बात करेंगे अच्छा
हाँ ऐसे
नो बट सी आपके काम में अलग होता है
हाँ जी
आईटी
I-
आपने कुछ फालतू काम भी कर लिया यू गेट अवे विद इट
हाँ
हमारा छप गया है द होल वर्ल्ड कैन सी
आपका तो आपका हाँ अलग
your work nobody will know
हमारा-
only your employer will know he did some crap
राइट राइट राइट
so you can get away with it
Right, right.
and then you do once and you strike it and you become
Right.
some you know you make
Yeah.
Microsoft and say okay fine but you've done a lot of crap in between but finally they recognize you with Microsoft for an actor all your movies out there man
right that
but
is
switch it on what is this nonsense
that
they
is-
can't go back to your work
that is true
so that in our line of
no
work
there is a
it's
there
like-
is a difference आपका पब्लिक है हमारा प्राइवेट है
Yeah.
that's a difference
आप प्राइवेट में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं हम नहीं कर सकते
राइट जावेद साहब एक शॉर्ट ब्रेक लेंगे हम वापस आएंगे फिर से
okay
प्लीज
we're going to wear shorts now
प्लीज बताइए Welcome back to Interviews That Matter. I'm your host Raj Mehta. We are having a good conversation, wonderful conversation. I would say very interesting conversation.
Interviews that matter.
Interviews.
that's yeah, I know interviews that matter
right. Yeah.
what is mind doesn't matter. What is matter? Never mind.
Never mind.
Okay.
So Jayed Saab, welcome back
Thank you.
very much. And so we were talking about business, that how do you start? When you start, you can start in a role and then you become choosy a little later. But you, as you
Yeah.
said, that you are your shows are, and your production or whatever output is public, and हमारा public नहीं है.
Yeah.
So there's a difference between us and
बिल्कुल.
our business and your business.
बिल्कुल.
Right? तो एक बार आपने मेरी जंग में जब when you started as a villain, and then have you ever tried to become a lead role at all?
Yeah, immediately after that.
Immediately
Because
after
I
that?
realized, I said, how much can you do? How much can you dance as a villain?
Huh.
I said, it won't work. I mean, I'll be out of work if I keep, because see, my assets were more suitable for a lead role. Because Hindi filmon mein song and dance is, that's the hero.
That's
The
exact-
song and dance is a hero on its own, it's an
Yep.
entity.
Yep.
So I said, yeah, I'm going to kill that. I'm killing my asset. So then I stayed put. I didn't. There was a lot of politics and all which happens in the industry everywhere. Anybody new comes, they're all looking at you like hawks. Oh, this is competition. Let's get him out. Things like that happen. So then I did other films like Lashkar, Lal Pari. There were smaller films. Lashkar was Deb Saab and all. So I was one of the leads again. Wo Phir Aayegi, I was again a lead with Rajesh Khanna Saab was there. There was Farah, myself, Munmun Sen. And I had a romantic with Munmun Sen and Farah. And it was a horror kind of film, but well done. So there I was one of the leads. 100 Days I was like a second lead again. So you were one of the leads, but you were not the main lead.
Exactly.
For whatever reason. I mean, ideally, I could easily have become a lead. But it's, I mean, it's not my choice. It's the producer and the director who have to look at you and say, okay, let's take this boy in. Like, for example, Prabhu Deva came approximately 6 years after me. And he was a dancer. He did one dance in one film, and then somebody said, okay, this guy's good, let's make him a hero and make a film with him. And that's where this Kadalan came and he became a star. But somebody had the vision to look at and say, okay, this guy is, let's make him into a musical star. Okay, so that's the story with Prabhu. But that was in the South. They look at it differently. But here, I don't know, for whatever reason, they didn't look at me on that level. But I managed to continue the various films, and it went on. So whatever was happening, managed to stay afloat for quite a while.
But you started with Subhas Ghai, right?
Yes.
Basically, so that he was supposed to be the top.
Yeah, he was.
Director.
But see, the point is, it goes the other way, because अगर सुभाष घाई साहब ने आपको as a villain लिया है,
हाँ
so then everybody's mindset becomes villain.
हाँ
यहाँ पे क्या है, they just slot you very easily.
हाँ अच्छा
Post office,
अच्छा
stamp
लगा दिया.
Okay. So वो normally होता है. तो उस वक्त मेरे साथ वो हुआ कि अब वो सुभाष घाई साहब ने villain लिया है, हीरो क्यों नहीं लिया? अरे भाई उसमें जरूरत नहीं थी, उनको एक विलेन चाहिए था, वो लाइक अ हीरो, बट हु इज अ बैड गाय, वेरी नॉर्मल गाय, not the typical. He wanted a normal college boy who was a bad guy. So that was the brief. So, but then that got complicated. So then after that. So but anyway, I've managed to be pretty okay. ऊपर वाले का करम है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
There you go. Yeah. Three Idiots, right? Three Idiots में भी आपने किया
Three
था.
Idiots.
तो
Second cameo in my life. Two cameos. One was Salam Namaste, one was Three Idiots. Again,
Yeah.
Three Idiots. राजू को मैं बहुत लाइक करता हूँ एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग भी, और जो वो काम करते हैं. मेरे दोस्त हैं, तो उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया कि जावेद यार ये फिल्म बना रहा हूँ, उसमें एक रोल है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है लेकिन सिर्फ एक सीक्वेंस है, बट क्रूशियल रोल है.
हाँ.
और उन्होंने बोला कि नाम नहीं लूँगा, एक बड़ा हीरो वो करने वाला था लेकिन लास्ट मिनट उसका नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा.
तो तुम करोगे? He was honest enough to tell me that. I said, yeah, okay, man, because I love your work, I love you, and it was like, I said, don't pay me, it's stupid. I want 2 days, 3 days of work. I don't. So that was my, like I said, yeah, whatever, I'll do it. And because it was being part of a good unit, a good team, and a good film. And वो हालांकि छोटा रोल था, but सबने देखी फिल्म.
Right,
And,
of course.
काम भी अच्छा था. It was a respectfully done role. So yeah.
वेरी गुड मैसेज एक्चुअली. नो आमिर खान साहब की मूवी होती है ना, तो उसका मैसेज
बहुत अच्छा मसाज देते हैं. हर फिल्म में
बहुत
कोई ना कोई मसाज
हर
देते
फिल्म
हैं.
में कोई ना कोई मैसेज. राइट. या तो उसमें जो मैसेज दिया है थ्री इडियट्स में, दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्चुअली, यू नो, व्हिच आई हैव सीन. द मैसेज दैट ही गिव कि भाई यू बी व्हाट यू वांट टू बी, यू नो. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुमको बस इंजीनियर ही बनाओ, ये बनाओ.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम शुडंट स्टाइफल.
एग्जैक्टली. या पेरेंट्स हमारे उधर तो ऐसे है ना कि पेरेंट्स आर मोस्टली डिसाइडिंग where the kids go to
वो
school,
प्रॉब्लम
that kind of thing.
उसने, और उससे फ़र्क भी हुआ कई जगह पे.
हाँ.
ये रेट जो सुसाइड्स हो रहे थे एजुकेशनल सिस्टम की वजह से, लोगों पे बहुत बंदिशें, बच्चों पे दबाव, वजन पड़ रहा था. तो वो कॉन्शियस नेक आई एक, देयर वाज सम चेंजेस मेड.
Right,
You know,
right,
so
right.
it brought about a changes in the political and the social educational system, which is a great thing. अगर फिल्म वो कर सकती है, that's a great thing for a film to do. तो
right.
वो और सबने देखी और बातें समझ में आई लोगों को. आमिर जो है वो रिसेंटली ही इज बिकम वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑफ दिस थिंग कि नहीं यार कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट भी करना है, लाइक गजनी, देन एंटरटेनमेंट, देन he'll do a तारे ज़मीं पर which has a message, then he'll do a Three Idiots which has a message,
Right.
then he'll produce a film called Delhi Belly which is entertainment.
Yeah.
So it's not that कि यार only message, ठीक है, लेकिन जहाँ मैं मैसेज दे सकता हूँ I should combine that. So it's nice. So that way I have a lot of respect for him. वो टीवी शो भी किया था. He tried to do something, you know. He could have done a normal game show. He could have done some masti show, made a lot of money. A lot of people say, अरे तो इतने पैसे लिए, अरे पैसे तो सब लेते हैं,
Right.
but पैसे के साथ कोई अच्छा काम भी तो करना है.
Naturally.
So which is what he took the decision कि नहीं
Right.
पैसे लूँगा,
हाँ,
but I will do something which is meaningful.
मीनिंगफुल एंड मैसेज देता है तो
Yeah,
पब्लिक किसी को कुछ फायदा होता है.
Yeah, a lot of people try to get on there. नहीं,
Right.
you charge so much money, यार. So yeah, okay, that's his profession.
राइट.
But what is he doing?
राइट.
What is he giving back?
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So आपका शो, you know, Boogie Woogie, right? That was the largest.
Yeah, that was like 15 साल चला वो.
15 साल चला.
Yeah, that was I think Asia में I think maybe longest running show.
Right. So like one of the most successful show in the TV
It was a pioneer
industry.
as a dance reality show. Pioneer show था उस वक्त. And absolutely. So that was great.
तो
I thoroughly enjoyed that show.
उसके बाद में ऐसे बहुत शो आ गए ना.
बहुत आए.
हाँ.
बहुत. अभी तो बहुत से शो हैं.
अभी तो बहुत
But
show
हमने
है
जो एक सेट
हाँ.
किया ट्रेंड जिस तरह से बनाया,
हाँ.
नावेद और रवि, you know, बहुत अच्छा शो बनाया. और नावेद जो उसको एडिटिंग करता था 2-2 दिन. It was normally shows online edit होते हैं. 70%, 80%, 20% शो. नावेद का उल्टा था. 20% ऑनलाइन था, 80% वो पोस्ट में करता था. ये
अच्छा.
शॉट, ये इंसर्ट, ये वो. That's why आप देखिए वो शो, उसकी जो एडिटिंग थी, it was very very well done and well put together.
अच्छा.
It didn't joke, and Naveed worked a lot on that. He was the director also. So I was judging it and whatever creatively we थोड़ा बहुत करते थे साथ में मिलजुल के. But वो एक कहीं जम गया because एक तो क्या था, it just gave a platform. उस जमाने में तो किसी ने सुना भी नहीं था कि यार डांसर लोग कहाँ से, कोने से, हरिद्वार से कोई आ रहा है, भुवनेश्वर से कोई आ रहा है,
right,
बच्चे
yeah.
आ रहे हैं, बड़े आ रहे
Yeah,
हैं,
right,
मम्मी आ रही हैं. एंड एक फैमिली का एटमोसफियर था जहाँ बदतमीजी नहीं होती थी. जो डांस कर रहा है फुल उसको रिस्पेक्ट दी जाती थी, यू नो. और मजाक के साथ साथ एक सीरियसनेस भी कि अगर डांस है तो कुछ टिप्पणियाँ या सम व्हाटएवर एडवाइस यू कैन गिव देम. सो इट बिकेम अ वेरी fun, respectful, family kind of a show, and it had a soul. It
Right.
gave respect to dancers. It
Right.
was not like हाँ यार डांसर को बुलाओ, डांस करो जाओ, because हम खुद डांस करते हैं.
Right,
So we
right.
know how to value that dancer, to give respect to that dancer.
Right,
He was not exploited. कि वो क्लोजअप दिखा रहे हैं, उसको रुला रहे हैं कैमरे में. That whole thing became a whole game. Now it become very common that oh ड्रामा चाहिए, ड्रामा यार, रुला उसकी माँ को लेके आओ यार, you know. So that's how it is. It's become that way. But हमारा was a pure talent show. Come show your talent, have fun.
सी इसी टाइप का प्लेटफॉर्म है ना जो मैं अभी नेक्स्ट सवाल आपको पूछने जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जो कंपटीशन है बॉलीवुड में, राइट, बॉलीवुड में इट्स अ वेरी एक्सट्रीमली कॉम्पिटिटिव प्लेस, इफ यू कि आपको अगर आगे आना है तो कितने लेयर्स है, लेयर्स यू टू पास थ्रू दोज लेयर्स, क्योंकि जैसे सारेगामापा है, राइट, सारेगामापा जैसा शो है, तो उसी में से कॉमन मैन के लिए, कॉमन पर्सन के लिए उसी शो में उसका टैलेंट दिखाया और किसी ने देखा और वो आगे बढ़ सकता है. अदरवाइज कनेक्शन ऑब्वियसली कपूर्स एंड खान्स एंड
देखिए यू सी टेलीविजन,
हाँ जी,
becomes like a catalyst today. It is a route. It becomes, it's something which can be used as springboard. You come there, somebody notices you. ये अच्छा है लड़का, इसको ऐसे यूज करते हैं, इसको शोज में लेते हैं, इसको फिल्म में लेते हैं. He can come and train somebody. So that becomes a spotlight for him. For that boy or girl जो कहीं कोने में कोई गांव में 50 लोगों के सामने एक स्कूल के हॉल में या कोई मंदिर के मंडल के प्रोग्राम में डांस करता था, वो आज उसको करोड़ों लोग देख रहे हैं. अब बाकी उसकी किस्मत वो जहाँ ले जाए, पर उसको ये मौका मिल रहा है ना कि करोड़ों लोग तुझे देख रहे हैं उस वक्त के लिए, और वहां से सो इट डज, टेलीविजन इज अ ह्यूज बून टू पीपल हु हैव टैलेंट. कि भाई ठीक है, लोग बोलते हैं टेलीविजन एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं, बट एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसको प्लेटफॉर्म भी तो दे रहे हैं यार. इट इज अ गिव एंड टेक, इट्स नथिंग व्हाट, आई एम नॉट पुटिंग अ गन टू योर हेड, बट यू कम शो मी योर टैलेंट, फाइन, सो आई मेक मनी आउट ऑफ यू, यू आर गिवन एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, आपकी जा किस्मत ले जाए आप जाइए. किस्मत इज अ बिग प्लेयर इवन एज एक्टर्स. एक से एक एक्टर भरे हुए, अच्छा, एक से एक डांसर भरा हुआ है. There is, I believe very strongly, everyone does become. There are some great actors in America. कोने में आप इधर सबवे पे बैठ के गिटार बजा रहा है, कोई डांस कर रहा है, मे बी एक्टर है, कोई वेटर बना हुआ है. They all don't become Robert De Niro or they don't become Tom Cruise. They don't. किस्मत की बात होती है. Being at the right place, somebody sees you, gives you the opportunity. हमारे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वही है, बहुत एक से एक अच्छे एक्टर हैं. Right. किस्मत, बॉस.
So right place at the right time.
Everybody works hard. There are people who work 10 times, 100 times harder than you.
Right.
They don't make it.
They don't make it, yeah.
So don't sit up there and say, I'm the great actor or I work so hard. Bullshit, man. There are people who are better than you, working harder than you.
Yes.
But they're not making it. So Kismat, thank God for it. Allah ka shukr, and that's it. Make the best and be honest with your job.
So right place at the right time and right connection.
Connection भी बहुत लोगों के होते हैं, नहीं चलते हैं यार.
हाँ, नहीं, अगर टैलेंट है तो कनेक्शन काम आते हैं, राइट. तो हमारा वही है कि
फाइनली इट इज किस्मत, बॉस.
अच्छा,
इट इज व्हाट तेरे को ऊपर वाले ने लिखा है कि तेरी किस्मत में ये बनना है, बनेगा. बाकी वो लाइन में 100 लोग लगे, वो क्यों नहीं पहुंचे. You'll find people who are trying. अमेरिका में देखिए, यहाँ से घुस रहे हैं पार्टी में, PR एक्टिविटी, मिलना जुलना में, everybody doesn't make it.
Right, yeah.
It's, you know.
किस्मत भी है, किस्मत तो है ही है, डेफिनेटली. किस्मत से तो मेरे को आपसे मिलना हुआ.
मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ.
राइट, आपको कैसे मिलना हुआ? सईद भाई से मिला, बाद में आपको.
But I'm just saying, no. He is my friend.
Right.
He is your friend.
Right.
He said, my friend wants to talk to you. I said, okay, come on, I'll come. So it was a connection. He became a catalyst.
Exactly.
But the point is, again, this is a different matter. When you're talking about work, for example.
हाँ जी.
मैं एक रोल के लिए किसी को देख रहा हूँ. इरफान खान. Irfan Khan did no PR activity. He did no publicity. He had no agents. Somebody spotted him. उसने एक फिल्म की जो फेस्टिवल में गई, फेस्टिवल में किसी और ने देखा, उसको इधर लिया. टुडे इरफान खान इंटरनेशनली इज डूइंग फैंटास्टिक. ही इज डन नो PR or whatever. किस्मत की बात होती है. He was there, somebody saw that film, they said, I want to take this boy in the film. Okay, done. He goes ahead.
Right time
and it becomes, and it snowballs.
Right.
And anybody says, I want an Indian character, let's get Irfan Khan.
Right.
Spider-Man, we want an Indian scientist, Irfan Khan. There are so many other actors.
Right.
But he's got there.
He's got there.
It's not that he's pushing and saying, take me, but he landed. Kismat ki baat.
Right, yeah.
बहुत से other actors who I don't want to name, who've been trying to make it in Hollywood for the past so many years, they haven't reached there. Irfan just went. Anil Kapoor, Slumdog Millionaire, out of the blue, fine.
Yep.
So, I mean, it is about Kismat.
Life of Pi.
It's about Kismat, finally.
तो उसके हिसाब से मेरे को ये भी पूछना है आपको कोई कभी हॉलीवुड, have you ever tried or do you want to?
I haven't tried. The last closest I was with Deepa Mehta in Fire, and but I would do, but I wouldn't do some inconsequential. एक रोल कर लिया आपने, why should you do it? अगर वजन के कुछ है जहाँ हम दिखते हैं, you as an actor you are noticed, then it makes sense to do a role. और वो ठीक है, आके ब्रुक से निकल गए, it doesn't make sense.
अभी हॉलीवुड में भी हमारे लोग है डायरेक्शन प्रोड्यूस भी करते हैं मूवीज़.
Yeah, Amrit Raj is there. He's a well-known producer.
अमृत राज एंड नीलानी और उसका नाम क्या है मैं भूल गया. बट ही इज ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस सिक्स सेंस एंड ऑल दैट मूवी.
नहीं, Shyamalan is a director.
Shyamalan, right, Shyamalan is a director.
M. Night Shyamalan.
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ.
director है वो तो.
Right,
But he's made it on a different level again. He just came out of the blue with some Sixth Sense, man.
Right, yeah.
Amazing, superb film.
Right.
And then he gained respect in the actors fraternity. तो बड़े-बड़े actor will say, हाँ यार इसके साथ मुझे काम करना है. So whether he got a Bruce Willis,
Right.
you know, and then he made The Village with Adrian Lin. Then he made कौन सी थी Unforgiven, I guess, Unbroken something.
Yeah.
With Samuel Jackson.
Samuel Jackson,
And
right,
so
yeah.
then the actors want to act with you because
Yeah.
they respect your intellect and as a director. Then he made something called which is that? Well, Signs. He made Signs, early films. The Village, Signs, Sixth Sense. Afterward, later on, somehow his movies didn't work on that level. But these first few films were very, very good films and they work. So yeah, we have people here.
Because see, director also makes actor basically, right?
So when you direct a film, you take me. Fine.
हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे यहाँ पे.
हाँ, प्रोजेक्ट बनाइए सर.
हाँ, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ.
मैं प्रोजेक्ट हेड कर लूँगा.
शायद से बात करूँ.
मैं-
वही बोल रहा हूँ. स्क्रिप्ट होनी चाहिए, राइट?
हाँ, स्क्रिप्ट तो बन जाती है.
स्क्रिप्ट बन जाती है.
टेक आपकी स्क्रिप्ट तो इलेक्शंस आ रहे हैं. बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट्स आर इन द इलेक्शंस ओनली ना.
There you go.
फैंटास्टिक स्क्रिप्ट्स यू मेक.
इलेक्शन स्क्रिप्ट तो मैं ऐसे ही बना देता
So
हूँ.
you make me behind the scene for a presidential
Kingmaker.
So I become behind and probably I do some, I write for him or I'm his hacker. I hack other people's scripts for that, you know, the other candidates को उसका hacking करके मैं निकालता हूँ. So I can be the nerd hacker.
There you go.
It's a good idea.
So that gives me another question for you. आपने कभी have you ever tried to go in politics? Have you ever thought about going into Indian politics? I mean, I know.
I would support.
हाँ जी.
I'm not cut out. देख पॉलिटिक्स में आने के लिए आपको चिकना घड़ा होना पड़ता है. You have to be sticks and stones may break my bones, but name will never hurt me types.
Right.
I can't do that. We are emotional people. So उसमें तो we have to be thick-skinned, thick everything.
Right.
You know, take the criminals along the way. Let's have a party, boys, because that's required.
Right.
I can't. I don't know. But I would like to support people who are, going the right way, and one should take interests because they matter, because they become people who run your country at some point, and it's important that you support the right people.
Of course, yeah, of course, because leadership makes everything, right? I mean, obviously, the whole country right now. Next year we have a general election, and that's going to be a big thing in India.
Absolutely.
Right? तो वो भी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट इलेक्शन है नेक्स्ट ईयर का. अभी रुपीस का वैल्यू भी कितना हो गया देखो आपको.
Yeah, it's all games played in the whole world. We all know it.
Right.
Politics plays this whole game. It can be a very dirty game, and it affects a lot of people, a lot of lives, which are lost.
Right.
In decisions made by politicians. So
Right. Yeah.
it can be a really bad news world. So
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि आप चलो ऐसा आई नो कि पॉलिटिक्स में डर्टी पॉलिटिक्स, राइट? देयर इज अच्छा पॉलिटिक्स आल्सो.
okay.
So do you think about going into अच्छा politics, like to do something good for people? You can also
That's
do.
a social worker.
इसमें क्या है कि दो
What
चीज़ें
is अच्छा
right?
politics? अच्छा politician is social worker.
नहीं, इसमें क्या है कि देखो यहाँ भी मैं भी बहुत आई इंटरव्यू लॉट ऑफ पीपल, राइट? तो मैं उसको पहले बोलता हूँ कि पहले तेरे को जीतना पड़ेगा कुछ भी. इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग गुड यू हैव टू विन फर्स्ट. Without winning, you can only talk.
So
That's it.
but then does it become the ends justify the means? So you win anyhow, and then after you won you say ना भी मैं अच्छा काम करूँगा. But to reach there I have to do all this चोरी चकारी वो कर लूँगा. फिर जीत गया भी अच्छा काम करूँगा. So does that justify it or what? Is that the way it is? I don't know.
It doesn't justify, but I mean.
But that's the way it is.
But that's the only way you can do something good, right?
हाँ तो ठीक है, अभी 10 लोग को मार दिया, बाद में 10 लोग को जान बचाऊंगा.
तो वो तो नहीं है, बराबर नहीं. So अभी आपने अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ काम किया है, बच्चन जी के साथ कभी?
एक फिल्म में किया था, बूम में मैंने किया था.
अच्छा.
बट वो अलग थे, मैं अलग था.
अच्छा.
एंड वो एक एंड में सीन होता है फिल्म में, वे जैकी, गुलशन एंड बच्चन साहब ऐसे गन से स्टैंड ऑफ होता है, एंड आई एम कमिंग. So the shot is they are standing and I'm running and I'm going to come there to kill, and they are standing and then they kill each other, and when I come they are all dead.
Oh.
तो मैंने बच्चन साहब को बोला, मैंने बच्चन साहब, इट इज अमित जी वी कॉल हिम, कि अमित जी मेरा बड़ा मन था आपके साथ काम करूं, बट like where you would be alive on screen, not dead on screen. When I come in you're dead. So And I have a lot of respect for him. As you know, extremely respectful man. बहुत इज्जत देते हैं. And I have a lot of respect for him on that level. As an actor, तो है,
But as a good person also, I mean, he
as a
seems
person,
like, you know,
he's very respectful man.
Yeah, he's a
He
respectful.
gives a lot of respect, which today आजकल के लोग नहीं देते.
हाँ.
You know, it's a small things which matter.
Right,
But
yeah.
to give that little respect,
Yeah,
कि अगर आप, for example, if you come into a room
right.
and you may notice it, somebody else may not notice it. And if I get up and I shake your hands and I sit down, just that getting up and shaking your hand means I'm giving you that respect, that I get up to give
Right,
you that respect.
right,
Rather than
yes.
sitting down here, hey, hi, what's up?
Yeah.
It's a big difference,
There's a
at
big
least for me.
difference. Right.
And a lot of actors become that later on when they become something.
Right, yeah. Right.
That when they were new, they were, oh, sir, hello, sir. And then suddenly it's like, hey, kaisa hai? So it, you know, we've seen that, been through that. 30
Right.
years in the industry, seen that.
Yeah.
Never Bachchan sir. He is always, till today. You call him, he will reply immediately. He will give you a SMS after half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe later in the day.
Acha.
Okay, I'm busy, I'll call you later.
Acha.
Some actors, you bloody message them 15 days, 20 days, 1 month later. What happened? Arey, haan. So
I forgot.
that way he's, and I respect that because he gives that respect.
Right, yeah, right.
And that's where he is, you know, today.
Yeah,
So.
yeah. But that's a real
His
man,
stayed
you know,
put, his
that's
staying
called-
power is so much.
हाँ, हाँ.
आजकल बहुत लोग आते हैं, but they come and then they go. But when you give that respect, you
Right,
stay
yeah.
put for a while.
Right, yeah. On top of good acting. I mean, you know.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah,
You can't just
Satyagraha, you know, just the release Satyagraha, right?
मैंने देखी नहीं वो, लेकिन वो as an actor तो है बहुत.
No,
बहुत
as an
अच्छा काम
actor, so he's
बहुत अच्छा
very
काम है,
nice,
obviously
yeah.
उसमें. But I was talking as a person.
Right,
कि
yeah.
yes, respect goes a long way.
के-
अभी कई छोटी सी चीज है यार.
हाँ जी.
How many people you meet that they, hey, hi, what's up?
Yeah.
No, you meet when you're that 2 seconds you're with me, then be with me for those 2 seconds.
Exactly.
It is important.
Exactly.
When I
Yes,
shake your
yes,
hand,
yes,
I look
yes.
into your eyes. Yes, how are you? Everything
yes.
is okay.
That makes a difference.
Rather than, hey,
Yeah.
okay.
Cool.
So they're little things, but for me they mean. I mean, maybe I'm old-fashioned, but
नहीं, it is true actually. You're not old person. It's very true. यहाँ भी ऐसा ही है हमारा. You know, I meet lot of people. You know, I'm a very heavy networker.
okay,
तो मैं तो बहुत ही लोगों को मिलता हूँ.
okay.
तो you know, I see people who really give
आपका
2 seconds.
नेटवर्क क्रैश हो जाता है कभी?
अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ.
Okay.
But you know, I do like to meet more people. I mean, I meet a lot of people. You know, यहाँ पे you know, in politics, in everywhere. You know, ठीक है.
You'll become a politician. I'm sure.
No,
of
I
that.
cannot be politician.
I'm
I'm not
telling
like
you.
I'm like you. You know,
no, you'll
मैं
be,
ऐसा आदमी नहीं हूँ. मेरा thick skin नहीं है.
Your wall of fame has become. Then you
Wall
will
of fame की बात छोड़ो.
You will also go there. You'll become soon. You'll become.
नहीं.
Good.
There is no chance at all. You know, but anyway, उसका you know अमिताभ बच्चन अमित जी की बात करते हैं, right? KBC अभी आ रहा है वापस. तो that show has really touched lot of people. Like you know, जो लोग आप बता रहे थे कि you know कई छोटे गांव में you know they have nothing and they suddenly win this. You know, even it like you know like if they win 50,000 rupees, that's like
See, let me
3
tell you
years
one
salary.
thing. Let me tell you one thing. All this is manipulated. Manipulated on what way?
हाँ जी.
When the show's rating goes down,
हाँ.
यार कुछ करना चाहिए.
अच्छा,
एक काम करो यार.
अच्छा.
वो गरीब को लेके आओ.
अच्छा.
वो किसान को लेके आओ.
अच्छा.
उसको बिठाओ.
हाँ.
उसकी माँ बीमार है.
हाँ.
उसका बाप मर गया.
हाँ.
स्टोरी बनती है यार. इमोशनल पब्लिक को लगता है अरे बेचारा गरीब आदमी.
अच्छा.
You know, it is all.
हाँ.
Is everybody using everybody, boss?
Yeah. But at the end of the day,
उसको कुछ मिलता है.
हाँ.
Great. But I'm just saying, but that's how it is played on
no,
television.
I agree.
Big
I
time.
agree. वो कैसे?
I mean, I am in the industry, but this is how it is, boss.
No, I agree.
Underdog.
Yeah.
लेके आओ.
Yeah.
He makes good television. This is what we call it. That makes good television. You get the ratings, man.
Right.
So, I mean, Bachchan Saab, the way he interacts, I mean, fine, you know, because he's reaching out. He's an icon. He's like, people worship him. You know, and he gets to meet them, and they love it when he talks to them.
Exactly.
Man.
Right.
So it was a good, for him, it's a great platform because like, very respectful, intelligent platform where he can interact with his fans, be a part of their success. So it's great.
Right. Yeah. And at the end of the day, you know, जो गरीब जिसको लेके आते हैं उसको कुछ तो मिलता है ना. पैसा मिलता है उसको क्या? वही पहले बन.
No, that you can't. Of course,
Okay.
you can't. That, you can't. It would never survive.
I don't know. See, you know.
Yeah.
तो अच्छा शो कैसे पैसा बनाता है?
Viewership, yeah, advertising.
Advertising.
That's how
the only
television
way.
works. Television works entirely on advertising.
अच्छा.
Entirely on advertising.
And you know अभी तो SMS भी चल रहा है ना. SMS में पैसा बनाता है.
Exactly.
Something
You
like
SMS,
that,
you're
right?
paying You want to know the answer? I'll put some $6 per an SMS.
Right.
Where a normal SMS is ₹1.
Right.
वो ₹6 का SMS दे दिया आपने, अब वो कितने मिलियन SMS आते हैं,
वही बोला,
वो अलग कमाई हो जाती है. So these are, I mean, fair enough. Nobody's cheating anybody. Nobody's putting a gun to your head. You choose to make that success, because you want to be part of that.
Right. So what is your current project? आप कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट में अभी काम कर रहे हैं अभी?
अभी मेरी 3 फिल्में इमीडिएटली आने वाली हैं, the next 2 months.
अच्छा, okay.
एक का नाम है वॉर छोड़ना यार.
हाँ.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म.
अच्छा.
इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर पे,
हाँ.
रेगिस्तान में. तो एक तरफ इंडियन आर्मी, एक छोटी सी, मतलब एक छत्ता है 50-60 लोगों का, इधर पाकिस्तानी आर्मी, और एक दिन की कहानी है. और उनका रिश्ता, उनकी रिलेशनशिप, उनकी दोस्ती, और किस तरह से एक दूसरे के साथ. वंडरफुल मैसेज, और अच्छी लिखी गई है. शर्मन जोशी हैं, सोहा अली खान हैं, संजय मिश्रा हैं, मुकुल देव, नाइस कास्ट, दिलीप ताहिल, मनोज पावा, वेरी गुड एक्टर्स.
अच्छा.
एंड अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट. तो वो एक वो फिल्म है.
अच्छा.
एक और फिल्म है जिसका नाम है मिस्टर जो बी करवालो. इट्स अ नेम. सो विच इज अरशद वारसी, सोहा अली खान, माइसेल्फ, विजय राज, शक्ति कपूर, ब्रिजेश शेरजी. Another good. That's a mad comedy. War Chhodna Yaar is a satire. It's a comedy, but it's a satire. It's an intelligent message being given. Mr. Jo Bhi Karwalo is a mad comedy entirely. Then there's a film called Besharam, which is a big film with Ranbir Kapoor and Abhinav Kashyap is directing, जिन्होंने दबंग बनाई थी. उसमें मेरा I'm the villain again. It's a serious film. After a long while. The last time I was a villain was in '93 in O Darling Ye India. And after 20 years now I'm a villain again in this film. So interesting. Like a proper serious film, no comedy, nothing.
Actually yeah, बेशरम की एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखता हूँ मैं अभी. That should be coming sooner than others.
पहले एक शर्म था, अभी बेशरम हो गया.
अभी बेशरम हो गया. So who was your most favorite villain? आपके हिसाब से?
यार पुराने जो थे उनमें एक पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल था. अभी देखिए मेरे लिए ऑनेस्टली एज एन एक्टर आप क्लासिफाई करना किसी को ना, वो विलन, अरे भाई एक्टर है.
हाँ.
एक्टर
ओरिजिनली तो एक्टर ही है.
अब वहाँ पे वही पहले विलन. अब अजीत तो विलन तो विलन.
हाँ.
उनको फिर बाद में किसी ने कोई पॉजिटिव रोल में बहुत मुश्किल से किसी ने लिया होगा. प्राण साहब ने मैनेज किया शिफ्ट करना. मनोज कुमार साहब ने उनको लिया था उपकार में इन पॉजिटिव रोल. वो उनका शिफ्ट था. उससे पहले वो हार्ड विलन थे प्राण साहब. फिर उपकार में शिफ्ट हुआ, वो सिंपैथेटिक कैरेक्टर. उसके बाद फिर वो विलन कैरेक्टर, सिंपैथेटिक, सब कुछ करते थे.
राइट. या
For me, villain, Pran Saab, when he was a villain, he had a strong personality.
He had a strong personality.
Ajit Saab was this cool dude villain. अपने ज़माने के dude थे वो.
मोना का सोना दे दो.
So उनके ऊपर मैंने काफ़ी jokes बनाए थे.
बोलाओ, एक सुनाइए.
नहीं, this was in 1983, 84, 85.
हाँ जी.
Advertising करता था मैं, तो I was a model. एक मैगी हॉट एंड स्वीट टमाटो चिली सॉस करके ब्रांड आया था. आई थिंक आई मे बी अ रिकॉर्ड 25-26 years आई एम अ ब्रांड विद दैट. आई एम अ मॉडल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर मैगी हॉट एंड स्वीट टमाटो चिली सॉस. एंड दैट इज आई थिंक 25 years, 26 years, 20 more. So उसमें there was a whole Ajit series, you know, where it was like one day at night, one day this, one day with Mona. So you know, थोड़ी ही देर बाद हमारा हेलीकॉप्टर तुम्हें हिंदुस्तान के बॉर्डर से दूर बर्मिंघम ले जाएगा. वहाँ तुम्हें एक काले रंग की सुअरलेट दिखेगी, वो तुम्हें 3 बार सिंगल देगी. ऑन ऑफ. दिस वाज 84. दिस इज हाउ इट स्टार्टेड. एंड देन यू नो, बॉस मेरा सिग्नल क्या होगा? बेवकूफ, ऑफ, ऑन, ऑफ. द होल इट गोज ऑन. बट दिस होल ना कि इसकी क्या, इसे शैम्पेन में डाल के मार दो, शेम नहीं तो पेन से मर जाएगा. Some stupid joke. उस वक्त अजीत जोक्स became cult.
हाँ, right. Yeah.
माइकल तुम साइकिल पर जाओ, टोनी टेक द पोनी, रॉक अपने जुड़वा भाई से रॉक्स के साथ जाओ. You know, so all these things became like became उस वक्त, we are talking about 84, 85. So I started with these अजीत cult jokes. Then so villain wise, yeah, अजीत साहब. रहमान साहब एक थे, very sophisticated.
हाँ, रहमान, वो तो you know वो विलन नहीं थे ना.
नहीं, but he used to play villain. प्यासा he was the villain.
हाँ, प्यासा में खाली.
उसके बाद supporting भी थे, villain भी थे, but very sophisticated.
Not a real villain. मारता नहीं था किसी को.
No, but he was sophisticated. He was a bad guy.
हाँ,
he had to play bad guy roles.
Right.
मारता मतलब वो तो you know. I just feel like Pran Saab, the typical so-called villain. Ajit Saab, they were classics. They had their own उनके अपनापन एक स्टाइल बन जाता था, you know, it like even though they didn't do like whole lot of variation in the characters, but people loved it.
Right. Yeah.
तुम क्या समझते हो, वो उनका एक स्टाइल बन गया,
Right.
like Ajit Savaj's did. So it was a style, people associated them कि ये इनका एक स्टाइल है,
Style है,
जीवन समा भांजे. So they all had their own styles.
Right.
Now today that is missing because they don't have इतने strong styles नहीं बचे.
हाँ.
To be a star, you need a style.
Right.
Actor अलग होता है, star अलग होता है.
Styles.
Like Bachchan साहब, rare combination where you're a star and an actor.
Right.
He's got his style of the way he speaks.
Right.
खुश तो बहुत हो गया. No, उनका एक style है.
Yep.
Like if you look at De Niro,
Yeah.
वही था, वो that's him.
Yeah,
He does
that's
that
him.
in all his films.
Yeah.
You know.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
it's you need a certain.
You know.
People pick up. Oh, that's
Right.
De Niro.
Right.
That's Al
Right.
Pacino.
Right.
That's Bachchan.
Right.
Like Shah Rukh. You know, when I spoke with him, and he's a very intelligent actor. He said, "Look, man, you need a style to be a star.
अच्छा.
You can be a very good actor, but then for people to imitate and emulate you,
Right.
you need to have a style."
Yep.
So he made his whatever his style is. Hey, अरे तुम नहीं जानते. That's his style.
Yeah.
And
More people
It became
imitate
it's
you.
difficult to imitate Amir Khan.
Exactly. They are.
You know.
Right.
But Shah Rukh ka ek style hai. He's made a
Right.
style. So he was an intelligent actor. He said, look,
Right.
we understand the business, and he said, okay, this is as an actor, and now take a step further. I should have something of my own.
Right.
It's mine.
Right.
You know, I'm not copying Amitabh Bachchan. I'm not copying Dilip Kumar. This is me.
जैसे अमजद खान, राइट, उसने शोले में रोल किया था.
हाँ, but that was a
गब्बर
character.
सिंह का.
Obviously, that was a character. That was written.
हाँ,
But it became like because the movie was so
हाँ,
big,
हाँ,
it became a certain style.
Right, exactly.
But he didn't do that in every film, like
No, that's right. Yeah, only in that film that he had a very particular role, and उनके
as an
dialogue.
actor फिर आप वो बन जाते हैं ना.
हाँ.
फिर कहीं आपको sophisticated father बनना है, businessman बनना है. Now obviously a sophisticated businessman
Different,
from
totally.
London won't be
Yeah.
the same as Gabbar Singh, no?
Right. शोले के डायलॉग मैंने बहुत ही बोले, बहुत जगह
एक
पब्लिक परफॉर्मेंस किया है.
कौन सा एक सुनाइए
ये
आप.
वही हमारा कितने आदमी थे,
ओके.
बाद में सुनाऊंगा.
तो आप
आपके
कितने
सामने
आदमी?
क्या है सुनाएंगे.
कितने आदमी थे? अच्छा.
बट मैं क्या करता हूँ कि 3 लड़कियों को खड़े करता हूँ,
अच्छा.
और फिर तीनों लड़कियों को उड़ा देता हूँ. ऐसा चेंज करके हमने. बट एनीवे,
हाँ, good. I learned some new
समथिंग
tricks.
डिफरेंट, समथिंग डिफरेंट, दैट्स ऑल. सो लोग पीपल लाइक इट.
ये नंबर 1 क्या लगा है आपने अपने छाती पे?
ये नंबर 1 ऐसा है ना कि हमारी कंपनी जब व्हेन वी बिकेम नंबर 1 फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग कंपनी इन लॉन्ग आइलैंड 2 years in a row, तो हमने ये पिन बनवाई थी. So it is it's kind of a memory of my hard work and my our success of the company basically.
Okay.
So I'm proud of it basically.
Fantastic.
Very proud of it.
Number 1.
हाँ जी. Yeah. So we were like I mean I had no idea that what is 200% growth.
Okay.
Okay. I was saying that 200 is nothing.
Okay.
But when they announced my name, our company name, Infosys International, my name as number 1 fastest growing company, 200% growth, then I realized the value, that what is 200% growth.
Okay.
Until then I was like saying, oh, it's nothing. So that's how it was basically. I mean,
Yeah, you don't work for the numbers. You just work.
I just worked, yeah, and I had no idea this it's a good growth. I had no idea at that time. Now I know. Yeah, right. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time, जावेद साहब. आपके
मजा आया आपके साथ बात करके.
बहुत ही
हिंदी बहुत कम बात की, ગુજરાતી પણ વાત નથી કરી તો.
ગુજરાતી વાત નથી કરી, પણ હવે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ કરીશું આપણે.
આપણે
because now you will have to come here anyway, right? Because your
हाँ, मेरा बेटा कॉलेज गया है.
आपका बेटा कॉलेज है तो आपको आता ही रहना पड़ेगा अभी, राइट? तो नेक्स्ट टाइम डेफिनेटली गुजराती में बात करेंगे.
गुजराती में बात करें.
या
बहुत बेकार गुजराती मेरी बोलता, बहुत खराब बोलता.
चलो मैं भी बेकार बोल दूंगा.
अच्छा ठीक. नहीं, बेकार मैंने एक कार नहीं,
एक कार नहीं, 2 कार.
बेकार.
बेकार. या आपने वो बताया था ना कि क्या बताया कि एडवोकेट जिग्नेश शाह.
अरे वो जिग्नेश शाह बाहर है, वो अपना गुजरात के दोस्त.
हाँ.
वो गए बाहर, एक बोर्ड रखा हुआ था, बोलते जिग्नेश शाह बार एट लॉ. बार एट लॉ बोलते हैं ना, पर यहाँ पता नहीं, यहाँ अमेरिका में बार एट लॉ होता है. बार एट लॉ इज हियर, यहाँ नहीं होता. वो इंडिया में होता है बार एट लॉ. इंग्लिश, इट्स इंग्लिश कोड. So you're saying, oh, जिग्नेश शाह, तो भारत है, जिग्नेश शाह बार एट लॉ. अरे बाप रे, बार एट लॉ तो अंदर कैट लॉ. So it was a funny thing we used to discuss with my friends. Yeah, it was good fun.
Well,
चलिए, great, fantastic.
Thank
Wish you
you
all the
so
best.
much. Appreciate it.
आप नंबर 1 की कुछ और आगे और वहाँ पहुँच जाइए.
Thank you very much.
Wish you all the best. And next
definitely
time आप
keep working hard.
पॉलिटिक्स में आएंगे तो आपको देखेंगे. We'll vote for you.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you can email me at rajmitv@gmail.com. Again, that's rajmitv@gmail.com. You can watch our prior shows on YouTube at youtube.com/Infosys International. Again, that's youtube.com/Infosys International. Until next time, have a great week.
Thank you. Great. Fantastic.